Map it, using the cycle diagram. The cycle diagram is a powerful graphic organizer designed to help learners understand processes that are repetitive or circular in nature. It's best used when supporting the thinking skill of sequence, especially when that sequence repeats or feeds back into itself. This organizer is part of the blue strand of the thinking framework, which focuses on organizing information. Use it when learners need to grasp the ongoing nature of a process, such as the seasons, the water cycle, life cycles in biology, or repeating patterns in narratives or history. To use the cycle diagram in your classroom, introduce the topic that follows a cyclical pattern. This might be something natural, like the water cycle, or conceptual, like a design cycle in technology. Ask learners to start by writing the first stage of the cycle in one of the boxes around the circle. Then, working clockwise, they fill in the next steps, ensuring each leads logically to the next. Once complete, learners should talk through the cycle. This step is key. Encourage them to explain how each part leads to the next and what happens when the cycle starts again. For deeper learning, use the space around each stage to add causes, consequences, or key vocabulary. The circular format helps learners visualize the continuity of the cycle and understand how knowledge flows and returns. It's particularly useful for supporting planning in science, geography, and even PSHE or story writing. When learners can map a cycle visually, they begin to understand that some concepts aren't linear. They're connected in systems that repeat, evolve, and influence each other.